Hello and welcome to science lesson number 22. So first of all, can we all turn and say hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin with our meditation sequence. So let's sit down, close our eyes, and we'll take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. Let's rotate our wrists. Roll our wrists, give our wrist a rotate. And go back the other way. And now let's shake our arms. And stand straight. Legs together. Arms up in the air. Arms on the head. Arms in the air. Side. Turn around. Let's go back the other way. And now let's crouch down into our ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! Excellent, guys. 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Let's sit down. No star jumps. So welcome to science lesson number 22. And today is a review lesson. How do we spell review? Remember? R-E-V-I-E-U. Review. What have we been learning about the last couple of lessons in science? What are we going to review today? Do you remember? Physical. Excellent. Physical properties. Physical we spell P. H-Y-S-I-C-A-L. Physical properties. P-R-O-P-E-R-T I-E-S. Review. And what will we review? Physical properties. So let's underline these words. Review physical properties. So physical properties. Does anybody remember any physical property? What's a physical property? Physical property is the way that something is made. Does anybody remember any physical properties? Excellent. Flexibility. So let's write that word. F L E X I B I L I T Y. Flexibility. Remember, flexibility is the ability to bend without breaking. Eraser. Elastic band. Clothing. We can bend and stretch. A ball. Things that can bend but do not break have flexibility. Okay, so that's one. Any others? Any other physical properties? How about if Teacher Wes does this? To the wall. Hardness. Was the wall soft? Did the wall break? No. The wall is hard. So we say the wall has hardness. H A R B N E S. Flexibility. Hardness. Yes. What is this? Did it break?
No.
Is it weak?
No.
So if it's not weak, what's the opposite of weak? Strong. So what can we say about this chair? It's strong, and when we talk about physical strength, we use the word strength. S T R str stre N strength. TH, but one letter before TH. Give you three guesses. Strength. What letter goes here? No. G. Strength. Flexibility. Hardness. Strength. One more. One more physical property. Remember, Teacher Wes got the ball. Teacher Wes got the ball. Excellent. Teacher Wes got the ball, put it into the water. Did the ball sink? No. It floated, so it has. Excellent for remembering buoyancy. Can we all say together? Buoyancy. Okay then. How do we spell buoyancy? B. Y. Okay, we have Y. A? No I, there's no W. No, but sounds like W. Buoyancy. N. Excellent. Buoyancy. So our four physical properties: flexibility, hardness, strength, buoyancy. So when we talk about physical properties, we also talk about minerals is all materials. Minerals is close because minerals make materials, But when we talk about materials, what type of materials? Remember, we had, what are they made of? Like we have bottles. What is the bottle made of? Plastic. So plastic is a material. Material. So think about the last couple of lessons we've had. Plastic, P, L, A, S, T, I, C. Plastic was a material. Glass. Paper. Glass. G, S. Down. Paper. Paper. What is paper made of? Comes from a tree. After tree and before paper it is wood. Wood comes from the tree and wood makes paper. So the material, W-O-O-D. So Pearl, down, you're right. We have the tree makes wood and the wood makes paper. How about this? Metal. Metal. Minerals is types of materials. Metal. M-E. Excellent. Rubber. Now you're remembering the materials. R-U-B. B again. E-R. Is that it? Is there how many? Any more? We have plastic. Glass. Wood. Metal. Rubber. Any more materials? Can we remember any from the PowerPoints? Any that we can think of? No, I think that's it. I think that's the lot. What would you say is the best match flexibility-wise? Would you say rubber is flexible? Yes, we could match rubber with flexibility. How about hardness? What material do you think best describes hardness? Wood is one. We could use wood. Some plastic is hard, but metal. I think metal is the hardest. Strength. Not really glass, because glass can smash. We can have hard plastic. Really, strength can be plastic, wood, or metal, and some types of rubber. But what about buoyancy? Can glass float? Does glass? Wood. Excellent, Nadia. Buoyancy is wood, and also some types of rubber. Some types of rubber can float. So last time, guys, physical properties, flexibility, hardness, strength, buoyancy, materials, plastic, glass, wood, metal, rubber. Rounds of applause. Well done. Well remembered. Excellent, guys. And what we're going to look at now is a PowerPoint presentation to give us a better understanding of the different types of physical materials and properties. Okay? So let's turn our chairs to look at the TV screen. Okay, so today's review is physical properties of materials. Yes, like Teacher Wes explained, physical property is like flexibility and material, plastic. So review physical properties of materials. Excellent. So let's have a look at the slides. Question time. Teacher Wes well, let's read together. Let's see if we can guess which one it is. What is the name of this physical property of material? Ready? Let's read together. It is the ability of the material to bend easily without breaking. Which one is that? Which physical property? Bend without breaking. Not wood. Which? Not quite rubber. We're not looking at materials, we're looking at physical properties. What bends? What do we call it when it bends but doesn't break? Flexibility. Okay, speak after teacher. It is the ability of the material to bend easily without breaking. Yes, something that you can bend but doesn't break has flexibility. Now remember when we had the eraser? Remember the eraser where we could bend it? Did it break? No, because it has flexibility. Next one. What is the name of this physical property of material? Okay, ready guys? It is the ability of the material to float in the water. Which one was that? Buoyancy, excellent, well done. Remember, if it can float, it has buoyancy. It is the ability of the material to float in the water. Excellent guys, well remembered. Buoyancy. Next one. What is the name of this physical property of material? Ready? It is the ability of the material to withstand scratches. What do we think? Which physical property? Hardness, yes. If something is hard, it won't be scratched easy. So we can say hardness. It is the ability of the material to withstand scratches. Hardness. Next one. What is the name of this physical property of material? It is the ability of the material to support heavy weights without breaking. What do we think? Which physical property can strength? Excellent. Now remember the chair? When we had people sit on the chair, did it break? No, because it has strength. It is the ability of the material to support heavy weights without breaking. So now let's have a look at materials. What materials can you see at the top? We have metal, wood, rubber, or plastic. Okay, so these four materials. Which material is made from petroleum in factories? Which one do you think? Do you think is it metal, wood, rubber or plastic?
Plastic.
Excellent. Well remembered, guys. It's plastic, yes. Plastic is made from petroleum in factories. Okay. Next one. Which material
Which material
comes from trees?
come from trees? Wood.
Wood. Plastic doesn't come from trees. Plastic is made in factories, like you see here. But which comes from trees?
Wood.
Wood. Wood comes from trees. And wood then goes on to make paper. Okay, but there's another type of special tree. Which material
Which material
comes from
come from
rubber trees?
rubber tree?
What do we think? Rubber, yes. Wood comes from trees, but a rubber tree has
Rubber.
rubber, yes. The clue is in the name, rubber tree. So wood comes from normal trees, rubber comes from,
Rubber tree.
excellent, well done. Okay, what material
What material
are gold,
are gold,
bronze,
bronze,
aluminium
aluminum,
and iron? What type of material are they? Metal, excellent. They're all types of metal. So now we've reviewed the physical properties and the materials. Do we have any questions? Okay, well done guys, round of applause. Okay, so now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up guys and push in our chairs. And let's march on the spot. Walk on the spot. Stop. And let's jog on the spot. Stop. Jog again. Stop. Jog again. Stop. And Simon, slow motion. And then quickly jog. Stop. 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Let's sit down. And we're now ready for our final activity. Teachers, for the final activity this lesson, there is no worksheet. All you need to do is, with a plain piece of paper, divide your students into teams of 3 or 4, depending on your number of students. I have 9 students, so 3 teams of 3 works great. And tell your students they have to make an invention. They have to think of something they want to make themselves and draw it. So 3 people, they can have 1 person to draw, 1 person to colour, and 1 person to write the names of the things. Before the invention, what needs to happen? Physical properties. The invention needs to have at least 2. Okay, guys? It must have at least 2. Flexibility, hardness, strength, or buoyancy. Your invention must have 2 things. It can have more, 3 or 4, but it must have at least 2. And the invention must be made of materials. Plastic, glass, wood, metal, and rubber. And again, it must have at least 2 materials. Okay? So physical properties, how many?
2.
2. Materials, how many? 2. And give your invention a name. And give your team a name. So let's see, team 1, 1, 2, 3. Give yourselves a team name. And think about what you will invent. Team 2, 1, 2, 3. Decide what you want to do yourselves. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Okay, so give yourselves a team name. Okay, so give your teams a name and then write on your sheet the name of your thing or invention, okay? The name of the thing that you will make for your team. Ready, guys? Or invention. Yes, invention is the thing you are going to make. And it must have 2 physical properties and 2 materials. So let's see. Proud, did you say Christmas tree?
Yes.
Okay. What materials will you use for Christmas tree?
Plastic. Wood.
And what physical properties will it have? I think it might have flexibility and maybe hardness. It can have more. If you want to have 3 or 4, you can do, but it must have at least 2. If you need any help with spelling or writing, let me know. Teachers, monitor your class. If the students need help with writing or spelling, you can help. But they have the physical properties on the board already, and also they have the materials. So, team blue. Team blue. Our invention. Okay, what's your team name? Team. Okay. Team blue. Team yellow. Okay, well these will change to team yellow. T-E-A-M. T-E-A-M. So sit together, guys. Really help each other. Our invention. Gan Bradit. Invention. Invention. This word, can we say together, guys? Practice saying invention. Yes, that's what you're making now. Chu, what are you thinking? What are you going to make? What will you make? Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing your pictures. Okay, I look forward to seeing your pictures. Team green, okay. So what will you make? Team green, what's your invention going to be? What will you make?
Home.
Home, okay. So home. Let's see, home. Physical properties. Strength. And hardness for the home. Yes. Hardness and strength. And what materials for the home? Wood.
Wood and
How about the windows? What will the windows have?
glass.
Glass.
Wood and glass and window. Wood, glass, chicken.
Yes, you're right. For your home, you'll have wood, glass, and the home will be hard and strength. Yes. You can write your things, and don't forget to draw your picture. Okay, that's it. Sit together, help each other. So team green, net, Pak Bung and Chu, what are you going to make? Car. Okay, so let's see. Car. Physical properties. What will a car have? Maybe you could have a car that goes in the water. A car in the water, no? What will a car have? Car will be strength. Strength and flexibility or hardness. So we've got a car, we've got a home, and I think we're having a Christmas tree. Okay. Okay. So don't forget to draw your pictures, guys. Teacher Wes wants to see your drawing. Materials, very good. Team Blue, what would you make? You making Christmas tree? Did I hear?
Yes.
Okay. So you can help. If Prue is writing, you can draw, and Lat Gal can colour. You can help each other. So you're nearly ready to do, who's doing the drawing? Okay, so Pat, you can help to colour. If you want, Nadia will draw and you can help to colour. Yes.
บ่ด้วยทำแบบบ้านเลยไม่เอาไว้ตรงกลางแบบบ้านนี่ตรงแกะแต่ว่าทำไม่เดียว
Okay, so what, this is interesting. What's it? Rubber. Okay, so is this part of the car? You're doing the car and this is rubber. Okay.
วาดอะไรวาดเหล็กสิเหล็กที่มันยาวๆรู้จักเปล่า
You can decide for yourselves.
ไม่ต้องวาดยาวนะเดี๋ยวฉันจำกัดให้นะเดี๋ยวค่อยจำกัดต่อ
Okay. It's good to see that students are thinking for themselves about how to make things and what they should do. Some interesting ideas.
เธอวาดเหล็กเท่าฉัน
Okay. Wow. And I think Nadia is doing the roof of the house. Can you remember what shape? Triangle. Excellent.
อ๋อเธอแล้วก็ระบายสีที่ช่วยตัวที่เป็นมาชีตรงนี้ดี
Okay. That guy is Bangpon is doing a good tree. You want me to do the outline?
ถ้าคุณรู้นะคุณเล่าระบายสีอะเอาไหมล่ะดูระบายสีก็ระบายสีเดี๋ยวปอนตกแต่งไหมปอนตกแต่ง
This is very good. Excellent. Okay, and while one person's drawing, guys, the other person can be colouring. Okay.
คุณถาที่ว่าเป็นไหม
Only one of them.
คุณถาไม่เป็นสิต้นไม้มันเป็นเลวแล้วเบี้ยว
Okay. Okay, and don't forget to color, guys. Okay. So we have metal and rubber, yes. What physical properties? So we've got metal and rubber. We need two physical properties. Don't forget hardness and strength, or up to you, but has to have two. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your invention has two. Up to you, you can decide. Pat, you have colors? You can color. Yes. You can help to color. These are colors. These are colors. Why? It needs color. Okay.
แล้วก็อันนี้มันเขียวใช่ไหมก็คือเขาว่าทำงานของเธอนี่รถตู้รถตู้รถตู้เลยรถตู้เลยเอารถตู้
What colors are we having for the metal? Welcome back to class. We hope your students have had a fun activity working out about their inventions and the different physical properties and materials that they have used. And what we're going to do now is we're going to call each team forward to present their paper so that we can see what they've invented and what they're using, what materials and what physical properties. So first of all, can Team Green, come forward please. Come and join teacher. So let's see. Okay, this looks nice. What is your invention? Car. Okay. So what materials do we have? Rubber, metal, glass. And how about physical properties? Hardness, strength, and flexibility. Okay, you can see Team Green, a car. High five. High five. High five. Round of applause for Team Green. Next we have Team Blue. Team Blue, come and join teacher. Hello. So let's see, what is our invention? Christmas tree. What materials did we use? Plastic and wood. And what about the physical properties? Strength, hardness. Okay? Christmas tree for Team Blue. High five. High five. High five. Round of applause for Team Blue. Team Pink. Our final team, Team Pink, come and join teacher at the front. So let's see. What is our invention? What is this?
Home.
Home. What materials did you use? Glass and wood. And how about physical properties? It has
Cosmonaut.
hardness and strength. And may I say, it's a very beautiful house. So well done to Team Pink. High five. High five. High five. And guys, give yourselves all another round of applause for a good exercise. So it was good to see and interesting to see some of my students' different inventions. A car, a Christmas tree, because it's nearly Christmas, and also a house or a home. So that's the end of the lesson. We hope you found it interesting and had a fun time doing it too. So we'll see you again soon. Can we all wave goodbye? Goodbye! Bye-bye!